You can never judge a book by its cover, especially if you are out in the wild. Some of the scariest looking animals like sailor spiders and bats and garden snakes are actually harmless, while other animals commonly perceived as amicable and adorable are actually some of the deadliest creatures out there. Even some of the cute creatures that we think we know to be docile are surprisingly harmful to both humans and other wildlife. Take the dolphin for instance. While these mammals are uncannily intelligent and are a total blast to swim with on a Caribbean vacation, they have also been known to pulverize their own offspring. And let's not underestimate the pouncing pain potential of the domestic cat, a species responsible for more than 12 billion kills each year. In just our country alone, before you approach a seemingly kind, gentle creature, make sure that their name is not below or you may come to seriously regret it. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. Swan. They are beautiful, elegant and romantic. If you spot one swimming in a lake, chances are good you are gonna want to feed it, maybe even touch it. Don't like most wild animals, they perceive human as a threat. If you feed them, they will come closer, and when they get closer, they tend to bite. Especially if you are holding food they think should be theirs, just stay back. Swans feed in water and on land. They are almost entirely herbivorous, although they may eat small amounts of aquatic animals. In the water, food is obtained by upending or dabbling, and their diet is composed of the roots, tubers, stems, and leaves of aquatic and submerged plants. Swans are tough, strong birds who withstand no nonsense from dogs or cats. They may open their wings as a warning, but from then on, a person is advised to keep clear. Swans are highly protective of their nests. They will attack anything they see as a threat to their chicks, including humans. Number 4. Komodo dragon. Okay, so not everyone thinks Komodo dragons are cute, but those of you who do better watch out. These reptiles have one deadly bite. Their saliva is among the most deadly known to man. It's not just poison, it's bacteria. It lives in the dragon's mouth and transfers to your blood with one bite. Anything bit usually does within 24 hours. It digs a burrow as deep as 9 meters and lay eggs that hatch in April or May. The newly hatched young, about 45 cm long, live in trees for several months. Adult Komodo dragons eat small members of their own species and sometimes even other adults. They can run swiftly and occasionally attack and kill human beings. Carrion, however, is their main diet item, although they commonly wait along game trails from bush pigs, deer and cattle. Number 3. Leopard seal. Leopard seals are almost too cute. Something about their slick skin just makes you want to reach out and touch them, especially if you catch them splashing around in the water. But don't be fooled, these guys are aggressive. They have been known to attack researchers that get a little too close. And though one bite might not kill you, it can leave permanent damage. Leopard seals do not play well with others. Generally, they hunt alone and are never seen with more than one or two other seals. Number 2. Polar bear. White, fluffy and totally deadly. Most bears are predators and the polar bear is no exception. They are not often found living close to humans, and it's a good thing. These creatures will actually stalk you for miles before finally attacking and eating you. Even worse, you might not be dead yet when they start to devour you. Keep your distance. The polar bear has an extremely well-developed sense of smell, being able to detect seals nearly 1.6 km away and buried under 1 meter of snow. Its hearing is about as acute as that of a human, and its vision is also good at long distance. Being both curious animals and scavengers, polar bears investigate and consume garbage where they come into contact with humans. Polar bears may attempt to consume almost anything they can find, including hazardous substances such as styrofoam, plastic, car batteries, ethylene glycol, and motor oil. Number 1. Slow loris. These little guys are about the size of a teddy bear and look like a miniature Ewok. You can't get much cuter than that, but if you see one, stay far, far away. Even though they look like they would love to be picked up and held, chances are good it's the exact opposite. They will bite if they feel threatened, and their bites are laced with a deadly fast-acting poison. Slow lorises have an unusually low basal metabolic rate, about 40% of the typical value for placental mammals of their size, comparable to that of sloth. Since they consume a relatively high-calorie diet that is available year-round, it has been proposed that this slow metabolism is due primarily to the need to eliminate toxic compounds from their food. For example, slow lorises can feed on glutamate, which may be fatal to humans. The bite of a slow locust can be painful and sometimes even lethal. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.